All right, let's check your work. You were asked to identify coordinate C after a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation, followed by a reflection across the x-axis. Let me write that down. 90-degree counterclockwise rotation, followed by a reflection across the x-axis. All right, and I have to be cautious that we're only focusing on coordinate C. So here's my point C. I can see it's located at 1, 5. We're making a counterclockwise rotation. Clockwise would move to the right, just like a clock moves to the right. So counterclockwise moves to the left. I know that coordinate C will be located here in quadrant 2 after a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation. So I'm looking at 1, 5, my x and y value. After a 90-degree rotation, the 1 and 5 switch. So I will have 5, 1, or negative 5, 1. Does that always happen after a 90-degree rotation? Absolutely, your x and y values always switch. So now we have negative 5, 1. Okay, we're not quite done. We're next asked to reflect it across the x-axis. So here is my x-axis. I need to reflect or flip this point across the x-axis. So they have to be equidistant. 1, 1. This is a perfect flip. Right there. I am done. I first turned or rotated it counterclockwise, followed by a reflection or flip. I can erase my very first point because I am only interested in the final location. My final location happens to be negative 5, comma, negative 1. And if you prefer to write your answer using the text box, it's a lot neater, negative 5, comma, negative 1. All right, how'd you do? Fantastic. If you didn't do a perfect job, that's okay. You'll have another opportunity coming up next.